What's good, guys? This is your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything to do with gold right now. You know, gold is booming right now. You know, gold is literally taking off. So guys, I want to be giving you guys my thought process behind gold, what's happening and all of that stuff. So let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, you know your boy loves these likes, okay? You know your boy loves these likes right now. So guys, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Let's try and get 250 likes in this video. Look, I'm telling you guys, I know you guys can do it. Just go down below. It will literally take like 1 second. Smash that like button and then come back up and let's get to work. Also guys, definitely subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 10,000 subs right now. I can taste it. I can feel it in my taste buds right now. I can feel it in my bones right now. And when we get to 10K, look, we're gonna have to do something big. We're gonna have to do something super big. So drop a comment down below with what you think we should do when we get to 10,000 subs. That's gonna be absolutely amazing. So I've been telling you guys about gold, how gold's gonna get to 1919, it's gonna smash straight through and all of that stuff. I even dropped some stuff in the community tab to get you guys thoughts on whether gold was gonna get to 1919. But look, I'm telling you right now, gold is gonna go to 2,000. Hopefully like today or tomorrow, man, that would be super lit. Also guys, I'm gonna be using my iPad. The laptop has just been acting up for real. So guys, let me know if you like this kind of iPad footage. I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown with what is going on with gold right now. Let's get straight into the video. Yes family, so this is gold right now guys. This is absolutely crazy. Gold has gone ballistic, honestly family. So gold literally has been at that all-time high. So what I'm going to do is I want to quickly show you gold on a monthly time frame. I'm going to share every single information you need to know about gold right now, because I know you guys really enjoy me sharing my gold ideas, right? So now check this out. Let's quickly hide all the drawings real quick. Cool. So you can see, first of all, gold is at all-time highs. It's never been this high before. So we know gold is literally trying to make a higher high. And it's just so funny, it's doing it at the end of the month. There's literally one more day left, right? Friday is the day I believe we're going to hit like 2,000. Let's dig into the lower time frames real quick. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. I want to explain to you what exactly is happening with gold and everything right now. It's just so funny how everything is lining up towards the end of the month. So gold is factoring a new monthly candlestick. Yeah, the monthly candlestick is going to end tomorrow. Yeah, so the monthly candlestick is going to end tomorrow, which is the 31st of July, right? It needs to close above that high to become a higher high, and then we should see some kind of taking off. It'll be absolutely amazing. So now check this out, family. Let's expand this real quick. Quickly expand this so I can show you exactly what's going on. You can see gold made a higher high, yeah, and a higher low, right? Higher high, and then it pulled back all the way down here, and now it's factoring in trying to make another higher high, right? So down here, what do you see, family? This is consolidation. This is consolidation, all of this. So when people are trying to buy gold and sell gold, they didn't know that they were getting trapped into consolidation, right? In other words, what's happening is that the market is moving sideways. It's not going anywhere. It's just moving sideways, like you can see. And I always tell you guys this every single time. What is above and beneath consolidation? Liquidity. Yeah, there's liquidity above and beneath consolidation, and all liquidity is, and I'm going to explain this in every single video because I get new subscribers every single day. Okay, get new subscribers every single day, and you guys need to know about this stuff, because if you don't, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose, right? So liquidity on the top and on the bottom. You also get liquidity on above double tops and below double bottoms as well, right? So when price is consolidating like this, what's happening? The buyers, yeah, the buyers down here are buying price up, right? Where's their stop loss? Beneath this zone. Yeah, the people that are buying gold, where's the stop loss? Beneath the zone. People that are buying gold, the stop loss is beneath the zone, right? People that are selling gold, where's the stop loss? Above the zone, right? So in other words, there's money down here and there's also money over here. So you know price moves to where the money is. They're gonna run you out. Yeah, as you can see, there was a little bit of a run out over here that took out, swept all of these lows, and there was another sweep, yeah, of the liquidity on the bottom side that swept out every single person who was buying, right? Any single person that bought in this range, they got swept out with this candlestick right here. This candlestick stopped them out, right? And it's just a coincidence. To get sniper entries on gold, this is what you need to do. Look at this candlestick over here. You can see this little sell candlestick, this black one over there, yeah? Look at where the wick is. Look at where the wick is, right? So now look at the candlestick beside it. You see how it's a very strong bullish candle? When they do stuff like this, they have to come back and return to test this area. And if you look at this wick over here, right? So this is what I was saying. If you did your homework here, you would know exactly that they were going to come back and test this zone down here, right? So they tested it to the T and then they just took off, you know, and they literally just flew up, right? So now let's talk about my entry for the first position. So let's zoom down all the way to the 1 minute, okay? to the 1 minute time frame. So check this out, entry now. This was the candlestick that swept all the liquidity below and stopped you all out, right? So what you don't want to do is you don't want to be placing your buys on this candlestick. You do not want to be placing your buys on that candlestick because you will get stopped out. Like this was just a massive drop. So from 1949 all the way to where 1941, we're talking about like an 80 pip candlestick, right? So that means you would have got swept out. There ain't nobody having a candlestick, you know, a stop loss of 80 pips, yeah, and nobody's just gonna just have no stop loss either, because obviously that's not good, right? So what you would do is this: once you wait for this candlestick to close, right? Wait for this next buy candlestick to close back within the range. This was the bottom of the range, by the way. That was the bottom of the range. That was the top of the range. Once it closes back in the range, this is where you jump in for your buy. This is exactly where I jumped in for my buy for gold, right? And as you can see, did a quick it created a high and a high low, boom, jumped in. It created a high, and a high low, and then it just took off. As you can see, then it just took off like never before. It actually went up quite a lot of pips. It went as high as 1980. I jumped in on this one at 1946. It went up 340 pips in total, guys. This is unbelievable. Now I'm going to break down what actually happened with gold after that. So 50-minute time frame now. So first of all, what you can see is that gold literally broke out of this range. That was the bottom of the range, that was the top of the range. It broke out the range, which shows signs of strength. Okay, it shows signs of strength, so it means that there's power. There's gold has a lot of strength right now. Yeah, so all you have to do now is just wait for a pullback and then jump in again, right? So now I'm going to break down to you what I did to get my second entry. Also for this entry down here, I was literally running the whole team through this. I was letting them know that look, once gold gets down to this place here, this is where you place your buy, right? So guys, I'm going to show you that right now. Guys, I just want to quickly show you guys where my next point of entry for gold is, so where we're looking to buy next. So check it out. I'll pull it up on the screen here. You can literally see that it's roughly about 194.30 right there with a 20 pip stop loss. I've let the team know as well. So guys, that's going to be my next point of entry. And also right now it's not activating yet. It's just messing around, but it will come back down there. Alright guys, so how I got my second entry, which is this one right down here, okay, this entry down here, was because of this. So do you see right down here, do you see how this candlestick rejected back down? That was a form of resistance there, okay? That was a form of resistance there. So that means price, once it breaks through, normally it should come back down to retest this zone, and then you jump in for your next trade, right? Then you jump in for your next trade. So this is how I managed to get this entry down here. So now, fam, you can see that this was that zone that I just spoke about, and look what happened. Price traded back into the zone to the T. So that was the very top of that candlestick, right? To the T, and then it pushed up. So this is going to be the last update for gold. So basically, remember I told you guys when it comes to entries, this is where you want to jump in, right? Obviously, you know, gold does the dirty, right? They know that you're looking to jump in there. They run you out like crazy. They just run you out, right? They run you out like they did here, okay? But what I did is, so they ran out that position for me, but I jumped in again, literally at these lows. So I literally jumped in at 1946. So my entry now was 1946. So let's just bring it down. 1946, where is it? Ooh, I got in a nice liquid entry over here. 1946.40. My stop loss was beneath these wicks down here. Okay, boom. So that was the first entry now that I have for gold, right down here. Although I got stopped out, I did manage to get a much better entry anyway, so that's all good. And then my stop loss, my TP for this is still 2000. Boom. Let's go. We lock that in, and then I managed to get into a second position when it broke and retested here. You see how it broke and retest? So it broke higher than this previous high, and then this is where it closed, right? So this is where I jumped in with that one. So now I'm in with another position, and then literally the moment it breaks and retests this again, I'm gonna add more. Keep on loading up on gold, man, because we go to 2000, baby. Let's go. So anyway, guys, that's the last update for gold, man. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.